Hey everybody, it is Jay here, and today we're going to be using some wood shims to fix our closet door because it is hollow and the screws inside keep coming loose. And as you can see, the wheel likes to drag because the screws are loose. It's very difficult to open. So we're going to get that fixed today, and we're going to walk you through it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take the door out. So let's just make sure we've got that in reverse. We can get our screws out. Take the track off first. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is just take the door off here. Kind of bring it out and up. And voila! We've got our door off. So now that I've gotten the door off, you can see that it's hollow up here and the screws have really nowhere to go, right? Just this cheap, almost like cork-like material. And that causes these to be loose, which causes the wheels to get stuck and basically go nowhere. So we're going to put some wood shims in to kind of stabilize it and keep it on track. Okay, so now that I've got the part holding the wheel off, right, the little fastener here, what I'm going to do is take my wood shim and map out where the screws would go and put little holes in it so that when I put it back on, you'll see that I've got that little extra layer there to hold it in. Alright, got my little 1/8 inch drill bit here, and we're going to draw some guide holes. Let's do that. There we go. Don't worry, I'll wait. Okay, so we've got our guides drawn, and now we can put this back in the door. Okay, now we're going to do the same for the door. There we go. All right, now let's put the screws back in. All right, let's line our screws up. Where we want to go. All right, success. We've gone through our wood shim here, and now we do the rest of the screws. Now you can see that that is a lot more solid. We've got our wood shim in there, and that should do it. We're ready to put our door back up. Okay, we are ready to put our door back on. So let's lift and go up and in. Are we on both? Okay, good. We're on both. Okay, it's fixed. Yay.